Okay, let's look at the homework 1.3, problem number 7, part D. Alright, so let's look at that. Alright, so this is a g of g, so we're going to plug in g function into itself. Alright, so let's do that. So you have, let's see, let's find the function first. Alright, g of x. Alright, so every time you see x, we're gonna put g of x in it. So this is gonna be, right, so I see x, so we're gonna put the g of x. So x plus 17 over x plus 2 plus 17, right? Then you have x plus 2, so it's going to be x becomes 1 plus 17 over x plus 2, then plus 2, right? Then this looks pretty ugly, so what we can do is we can probably multiply top and bottom by x plus 2 and x plus 2, right? Then when you do that, this is going to be, so if you apply x plus 2 the first guy, you can cancel out the denominator. Same thing with this guy, then we can cancel out the denominator. So you're going to get x plus 17 here, and also x plus 17 here, right? Then we still need to distribute the x plus 2 to 17. So this is going to be plus 17x. 17 times 2 would be 34, right? And then here you have to distribute x plus 2 to 2, so that's going to give us plus 2x and plus 4. So if you simplify that, you're going to get, let's see, so x and so 18x, and then so it's a 17 plus 34, that's 51, right? Then x plus 2x is 3x, and the 17 plus 4 is 21. Alright, so we have that, so it's 18x plus 51 over 3x plus 21, right? Then we have to find its domain, right? So domain, so since it's inside is g of x, we have to make sure that g of x makes sense. So we have to make sure that x plus 2, which is the denominator, it's non-zero. So which gives us by subtracting 2. So x is not equal to negative 2. Right? So we have to eliminate the negative 2. Right? But another thing we have to do is, so negative 2 is bad. So, but you're plugging in g of x into g. So we have to make sure that the g of x is not equal to negative 2, because we have to plug g of x into the g function, right? So that's gonna, so we're gonna get, let's see, x plus 17 over x plus 2, right? We cannot have a negative 2 there, right? Then we're gonna multiply both sides by quantity x plus 2. You will get x plus 17, because the x plus 2 on the bottom cancel out, then cannot be equal to negative 2 times, so it's a negative 2x, and negative 2 times 2 is negative 4, right? Then we can just, let's see, I'm going to add 2x to both sides and subtract 17, right? So add 2x, so you're going to have 3x. Subtract 17, it's gone, and add 2x, so that cancel out, and then you subtract 17 from 4, so it's negative 21, right? Then we can just divide through by 3 to get the x cannot be equals to negative 7. Alright, so we have to satisfy these two conditions at the same time. So we have to make sure that the x is not equal to -2 and not equal to -7. So therefore, domain is going to be, it's too small, -infinity to -7. Skip -7 to -2. Skip -2, then go to positive infinity. Alright, so let's type it in. Alright, the answer we found was, so let's see, we have fraction. So 18x plus 51, so plus 51 over 3x plus 21. Right? Then domain is negative infinity to -7, and skip that. So it's -7 to -2. Skip that, and -2 to positive infinity. Alright, so that's the domain. So let's check. Submit for testing. Alright, it came back. Looks like we got part D correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.